I feel, personally speaking, I really thought that if I start my YouTube channel and if I, go viral and if I like get a lot of subscribers, then I would start earning money and uh, I'll become rich. I literally thought of it initially, but it's not. It's all the loophole actually that we get into after starting a YouTube channel. Um, yeah, there are some young people who are literally trying to go viral on YouTube, and they think that they have this notion that they're going to start earning money and they're going to
Yeah.
become rich. But it's like no, it's not like that, right? We know that because we are YouTuber, right?
So I can
Mm.
say if people who want to learn this language and they feel if I will join any course, any paid classes, so they are going to learn this language. That is not going to be possible. If you put your heart and soul in this language, then only you can learn this language.
So when you are enrolled with a course, you're surrounded by some people, and you it gives you confidence, right? I mean, it makes you
Mm.
feel that I should speak in a proper manner, right? And we try, and when we try, we sort of like improve, right? We become better at it, right? So when we are sort of at a place where people speak English, we get this tendency to speak properly, right? uh, but I haven't even thought of it that I should, enroll to a course and sort of, go to a institution and an institution and, sort of pursue this language. Uh, my ways are different. Like I sort of believe that since this is a language, then I don't need to, uh, think too much about it. I just need to learn some vocabulary and, you know, just immerse myself in this environment. Like, and we've
Mm.
got YouTube, right? We got a lot of like AI tools. We can resort to them and we sort of like improve ourselves. Never, never. I haven't enrolled to any sort of course. I think, personally speaking, I think that just I mean, like I believe that if you are enrolled to any sort of course, that's
So good afternoon. How are you? Welcome to the session.
yeah. Good afternoon. Thanks for having me.
Okay, so since we are meeting first time, so I would love to know about you. Please tell me about you. What is your
Mm,
background?
yeah, sure. Uh, my name is Shakib, and I come from Bihar. Um, I run a YouTube channel named Learn with Shakib. I have been doing it, I guess, since last year, and it's been going good. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. Yeah, I have seen your videos and you are doing really amazing. Some
Mm.
of your videos got viral too. So
Yeah.
now, yes, now I can see now you are not that much consistent on YouTube.
Mm. Yeah, there is a reason actually. I want to do something different. I don't want to stick to this particular thing like English and all. Uh, I can see nowadays people are coming and you know uh, talking about English, that how to do it and how to do that. And now I think that people know how to, improve English. Therefore, like I have thought of trying some different stuff, like documentary stuff, and some other stuff like which will be different than this sort of content. Yeah, that's are
Mm.
not so consistent. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so do you want me to introduce myself?
yeah, sure. Actually, I'm not so good at podcasting, to be honest.
Yeah, so it's okay. Okay, let
Okay.
me introduce. Yeah, let me
Yeah.
introduce myself in front of you because my audience already know about me. I have been uploading videos since one more than 1 year, so they all know about me. So for you, I want to introduce myself. So my
Yeah.
name is Priyanka. I am from Gurugram, Haryana. I have done masters and simultaneously I run a YouTube channel. Name is Speak with
Yeah.
Priyanka Katariya. Basically, I am uploading conversational videos, sometimes some solo videos. I love this language. That is why I started my channel and I love imparting my knowledge. And as I told you, like I want to be an assistant professor. So somewhere I am teaching students because of my YouTube channel. So this is about me.
Yeah. That's a very amazing introduction. And you're doing amazing job, like apart from studying your stuff, you are trying to teach people and you're learning yourself. Like when you teach somebody, you also learn, right? And we are learning from each other. uh,
Yeah.
in like other ways and all. So yeah, that's good. That's really amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
So one thing I want to ask you, I have seen your videos and I love the way you speak. How did you learn this language? Are you from English medium school?
No, I actually, the thing is that I have been. I mean, I have shared this thing that I did not complete my education from English medium school.
Mm.
But I have. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible. Yeah.
But I can have got a notification automatically allowed connecting with people, allowing you to appear like Teams.
Yes,
Yeah,
I
Teams
can.
application is
Yeah, I can see you. Yes,
sending me.
please.
Yeah. Okay, so I think I should start like whatever where I was. Okay.
Mm.
Actually, the room is very hot, and it's
Okay.
like draining my energy to be honest. So okay. How did it? Can you please ask the question again? Can you please
Yeah, yeah.
ask the
My
question
question.
again? I'm
Yeah,
like,
yeah. My
yeah,
question was, how did you learn this language? Are you from
how
Hindi
did I
medium
learn?
school or English medium school? Yeah, that
Okay.
is my.
Hmm. So I have shared this thing in I think many of my videos that I did not complete my education from English medium school. I completed my education from Hindi medium school. But I have had this interest since my childhood to speak English properly and in a good manner. And I would say like since last year, uh, I've been into some complex stuff. Like I'm keen to know about philosophy, religion, and I am into like debates and all. I also do debates like not offline debates, online debates. So
Mm.
there are some applications which give you opportunities to debate and all. So I do there, and I'm kind of into it. So it gives me confidence. It boosts my confidence to speak English because and like I mean I'm hugely influenced by a guy on YouTube. Like he's a debater. I don't want to reveal his name, but I mean he's amazing. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So how did you learn? Like, have you joined any course or you learned by your own?
Never, never. I haven't enrolled to any sort of course. I think, personally speaking, I think that just, I mean, like, I believe that, if you are enrolled to any sort of course, that's good. It gives you confidence because you are surrounded by some people, right? I think you're
Hmm.
going to call.
Yes, I have disconnected.
Yeah. I think that when you are enrolled, with a course, you're surrounded by some people, and it gives you confidence, right? I mean, it makes you
Hmm.
feel that I should speak in a proper manner, right? And we try, and when we try, we sort of like improve, right? We become better at it, right? So when we are in when we are doing when we are sort of at a place where people speak English, we get this tendency, to speak properly, right? uh, but I haven't even thought of it that I should, enroll to a course and sort of, go to a institution and an institution and, sort of pursue this language. Uh, my ways are different. Like I sort of believe that since this is a language, then I don't need to, uh, think too much about it. I just need to learn some vocabulary and, you know, just immerse myself in this environment. Like, and we've
Hmm.
got YouTube, right? We got a lot of like AI tools. We can resort to them and we sort of like improve ourselves. So yeah,
Right.
this is how I have done. Yeah.
Yeah, but initially people used to learn this language with the help of grammar. The first they
Mhm.
learned grammar and then they try to speak, but somewhere they are not able to speak just because of confusion of grammar. There are a lot of confusion in grammar, but nowadays people are learning this language just by listening and speaking only. They are learning this language. I can see there are many people who are learning this language without spending any money.
What about you? How did you learn?
Yeah, same with me. I have learned this language by my own. Yes, but I took some help from tutors also because I wanted to learn this language fast and in a right way. I didn't want to learn wrong English. That is why I took subscription from platforms, paid application, and I took subscription and I started learning from that there. So now
Mm.
I feel I have learned correct English. And somewhere I feel I have put a lot of efforts. Apart from 15-minute session with tutors, I have done so much. Like I read a lot of books, and I consume a lot of content on YouTube. Like I have watched so many podcasts, movies, cartoon movies. Then I have reached at this level. So I can
Mm.
say, if people who want to learn this language and they feel if I will join any course, any paid classes, so they are going to learn this language, that is not going to be possible. If you
Mm.
put your heart and soul in this language, then only you can learn this language.
Yeah, it's all about immersing yourself in this language. It's not about just going through the grammar rules and all, and some sort of vocabulary. Until and unless,
Yeah.
like, if you don't put in effort to speak, in front of some people, or maybe like, online or offline, you're not gonna learn. You're not gonna speak properly. So it takes you to, speak. Like just speak.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
speak. Yeah. Okay. So apart from learning this language, what do you do?
Uh, Actually, I'm a part-time worker, I would say. Uh,
Mm.
it's basically a job where I have to take some calls and ask some people, uh, customers, that how their experiences were, like, was it was I mean, was it good, average, or bad? Basically, I'm working with Redbus nudging. Uh, so we have to just ask customers that how their experience was. So that's how I do. And I'm not studying right now. I'm not pursuing any sort of course or degree right now, uh, because I started like working, in a nursing home. I think I have told this thing to another YouTuber. I don't know like his name right now. I think Shiv sir. Yeah, Shiv sir. I have told him that I was like working in a nursing home. Like I worked there for 7 months, I guess, consistently. But then I lost interest uh, in that stuff, and then I started like learning English. And since like last year, I've been learning English. And now like I'm thinking about pursuing a course, not course, degree actually, which will help me in the future maybe. But it's all the reason is that it facilitates you, to get a job, right? That's what like I want to pursue. Otherwise, I would not have pursued. I would not even have thought of it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I can see you are a YouTuber also. So, do you think it is a really good career? People, there are many young people. They are just 10th or 12th pass out. They started working on their channel, and they are struggling a lot. So, what do you think? They should try to make a career in this YouTube field, or they should focus upon their education as well? Because I am
Mm,
also in this field, and I feel YouTube is not uh, that much
yeah.
good. You cannot earn big amount of money from here, and you cannot say you will be successful on YouTube.
Mhm.
There is a lot of hard work and competition. So, what do you think?
I feel, personally speaking, I really thought that if I start my YouTube channel, and if I go viral, and if I like get a lot of subscribers, then I would start earning money, and uh, I'll become rich. I literally thought of it initially, but it's not. It's all the loophole actually that we get into after starting a YouTube channel. Um, yeah, there are some young people who are literally trying to go viral on YouTube, and they think that they have this notion that they're going to start earning money, and they're going to
Yeah.
become rich. But it's like, no, it's not like that, right? We know that because we are YouTuber, right? We are
Yes.
YouTubers. Uh, Having said that, I do feel that we should do your YouTubing and all. Uh, like we should do it as a part-time job, right?
Part
Part-time job,
time.
part-time
Yes.
work. If we do it, I mean, we can make it our hobby, right? We can sort of make videos, and we can record podcasts of this sort, and we can share the videos on YouTube, and then maybe we might go viral, right? Who knows?
Mm.
we might
Yes.
we might go viral, and we might start earning money, even less amount of money, but we will earn, right? And this will be the source of money, right? And we will get to know people, and it's all about you build contract, you build contact, you get to know more and more people. If I were not on YouTube, then I would not have connected with you, right? On Skype, right? So
Yes.
it's about like you connect with people, and you sort of like I mean, get to know a lot of people, and that's good, I would say. Yeah.
We can impart the knowledge whatever we have. We can interact
Yeah.
with people. Yes, I also feel the same because I have been working on my channel. It's been more than 1 year,
Mhm.
and I feel it is very hard to be a good or famous YouTuber, but yes, I have improved a lot in my confidence, my body language, asking questions in English. So there's so many benefits of it. But if we think we will earn money, we will earn a lot of money, we will be rich. So that is not so true. But if we want to improve ourselves, then we can start.
My phone is too hot that it can't bear the Skype calling right now, and the torch is off because of the heat of the phone. I think I'm not
Okay.
visible right now. Yeah, am I
Yes.
visible now? Yeah. Okay. And I'm sorry
Now,
for the background noise. I can't help it. I'm literally
okay,
tired of
okay.
it.
So we can
I have
wrap
to
it
bear
up.
this.
We can connect again if you are not able to do it right now because I can see you are in a hot room and your phone is also
Yeah,
not
out. Yeah.
working well.
I have
So we
to
can
keep it in.
connect again.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. We can connect again with a new topic.
So we can wrap up this session and we can maybe connect again and we can talk about other things,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes,
So
yes,
you can
sure.
ask that last question that, whatever you want to ask, please go ahead.
Okay. So my last question is for you. What would you suggest for audience who are watching this video? How they can learn this language? How can they start from scratch?
Okay. So this is my suggestion. I know this is going to work out or not. It's up to people whether they want to apply it or not. I believe that language is all about immersion. Just read books and all. I believe in listening a lot. Like if you listen to good people who know how to, form good sentences and who know how to, persuade in the conversation, you're going to become like them totally. So just choose some people who speak really good English, and I believe that watching debates and all give you confidence. To be honest, you get to know how to pursue the conversation, and then you become confident, and you can speak anywhere. So it's like watching good people and immerse yourself in this language and learn vocabulary. Like vocabulary gives you confidence. I had this notion that learning vocabulary is not so helpful, but it is helpful to be honest because when you know a lot of words, you don't
Mm.
feel that trepidation while speaking. You feel good, you feel confident that I can speak, I can form sentences and do so very easily, right? So it's like it gives you confidence. Learn vocabulary, immerse yourself in this language, and there you go. You can speak better than a lot of people out there. Yeah.
Yes, there are
Mm.
many people. Yeah, there are many people doing these type of conversation also. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today. It was really nice talking to you, and I would love to connect with you again
Yeah,
with
sure.
a new topic. Okay, thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah. Bye bye, take care. Yeah.
Okay, bye.